Mutumia guikara ihinda iraya ari na ruo rwa kugia mwana. Wagi wa irio ikinyanirie ikiro riria mutumia ohete nda kugira mwana mucie atari na mutaramu wa urigiti ni mamwe gatagati-ini ga itumi iria icungagiriria mutumia gute thakame nyingi riria aragia mwana. Kuringana na riboti ya Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri, atumia matanyihĩire 10 ni moragwo ni mioyo yao o muthenya riria maragia ciana guku bururi-ini, na gatagati-ini ka acio ana makuaga kumana na KUURA makiria.
Most of them believe that the womb is cleaning itself, so you don't need to do anything, so you can go home and everything will be okay. But any bleeding, and especially when it's heavy bleeding and when there are clots coming out, that is a danger sign.
Sylvia Ogati ni umwe wa nekora ugwati-ini wa KUURA makiria na aratariria we ndari na utauku wa kiria kia muhanikiire na unathengia wa gukorwo ni atangikiirwo ni arigitani na njira ya naihenya na thina wake ugithira. Oigite ndari agia na umiriru wa kuoha nda rita ria keri kumana na guoya.
Nilikuwa in labor pain for 12 hours. During delivery nilizaa tu pia normal kawaida ikakuwa sawa, but vina nilimaliza kuzaa unapata daktari aliniambia nisimame after nimemaliza kuzaa shanishona niamuke niende nioge. Ile nenda kusimama ikakuwa nasikia kizunguzungu, nikamwambia siwezi simama. Ogati ona kuri uguo atarite atumia guthurima guo riria moha nda na oho gwitikagira kurumirira mataro ma arigitani na makiria guoka ni mirire amuthina ucio no urigiririo. Pata experience yangu ilikuwa painful, vina nilifilio pain hadi kushika mimba ingine naogopa. Junaona anaweza kama hapo ilikuwa nilifaint ukumbuki anything, naona ni kama ilikuwa matter of life and death. So nikaogopa.
Patients who are carrying twins or even 3 babies at the same time, because then the womb is stretched, and once they deliver, the mechanism of contracting the uterus, it does not kick into action the way it should.
Ona kuri guo Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri Deborah Barasa ni eranĩire ati ministry iri muhari-ini wa mbere guthomithia muingi niguo magie na utauku wigie thina uyu, guku muingi ukiurio kwirutagira kuheana thakame itemi-ini ria guthara mioyo ya aria marabatara uteithio wa thakame.
We are working together to identify what are the priority activities or interventions following data analysis to ensure that our mothers are safe, and that includes transport so that they are abruptly brought to the hospital during delivery, and also to ensure that we have quality of services for the mothers.
Minister alitie hindi ya mihango ya mahenya iria twarithirio kiharo-ini kia ulinzi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, agitariria matanya ma thirikari ni kunyihia namba ya atumia aria makuaga makigia ciana.
I'm passionate of women and young girls around the world, next generation of girls, and to see this platform, this awareness, it will save many lives as we go forward.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.